on today? My name is Deborah Dawson from the North Branch Library, and Mr. Johnny Mosley. He's co-hosting. I'm hosting Healthy Eating. We would like to talk to you about eating the healthy salads.
Actually, she's going to talk to you all about it. I'm just going to be over here just observing and just analyzing and see what I can do.
And getting ready to eat. How about that? On today we have spinach, we have lettuce, and whatever he called it, but he desired not to eat my spinach. And we have chicken, we have tomatoes, we have eggs, we have croutons, and we have cheese, by the way. I do have walnuts there, but they're only there for the benefit of adding to my salad, because everyone doesn't like nuts. I do. This morning we're going to put together first my salad, not yours. I'm going to place lettuce in mine. Yes.
You sure that lettuce like spinach to me?
Oh, that's spinach. And he knows the difference in spinach and lettuce because he only cares about his spinach. But I think he needs to be putting his spinach over in his bowl on this morning.
My spinach is real lettuce.
Real lettuce. That's what you call real lettuce, with all that purple stuff in it, and well, it got cabbage in it. And then it got carrots in it, which is a nutrition value for our healthy eating on this morning. And he's excited about getting ready to eat since it's almost his lunchtime. So, and then we're gonna do chicken. He wants chicken. Or do you? What would you prefer doing your
put some chicken in
tomatoes first? But I'm just gonna grab some tomatoes and put mine in first. How about that? I want to put my tomatoes in my salad. The lycopene is very important for our health on today. It helps us with eyesight and all of that. So, would you like to?
I'm going to do it this way.
Oh, you just want to pour. That's a nice way to do it. That's real clean cut. So, I'm going to.
Now, how do you know I didn't want those tomatoes?
Oh, well, if you wanted them, you would have put them in your salad. How about that? I would like some meat since you left it over there to the side.
You have a few of them.
I can have a few of them. Okay, well, I'm just going to shake it out. Can I have all of it?
I guess. I'm being nice today, you all.
It's always good. Nice.
It's always good to be nice.
And by the way, he like bacon bits. I don't care for bacon bits. So he's gonna, that's walnuts.
All right.
So you don't want any nuts. You already told me you don't like nuts like that. Okay, but there's bacon bits right there. He's putting bacon bits into his salad for people. And I mean, they not really that healthy for you, but since he desired to have them, we got them anyway, because he want to make his salad gourmet, and I just want to eat a healthy salad. That's all. I'm just hungry on today. So, but anyway, he like croutons. They are a bit hard for me, and they really don't have any nutrition value for me. So I desire not to eat croutons in my salad. But if that's what he wants, that's good for him.
Just a few.
Just a few. And then we have the cheese, by the way. Everybody know that cheese is full of vitamin D, right? And vitamin D is good for bones and teeth. That's good.
See?
And guess what? You all gonna laugh when you find out what kind of salad dressing he like. The old age salad dressing. Save me some cheese.
You can have a little bit.
I can have a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Oh, okay. Oh, I think I got a whole lot. Okay.
But she called her salad healthy.
Yeah, my salad is healthy. I have a perfectly healthy salad. If you desire to put eggs, you can have eggs. And I think he wants his egg this morning.
I don't want eggs.
He don't want his egg this morning. But guess what? I'm going to cut my egg up and put my egg into my salad. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go like this. And I like big chunks of egg because they so beneficial. They so tasty. And they just bring out the flavor of a salad. Okay, now.
I hope you all are buying this.
Okay, now I do have walnuts, and the only purpose for my walnuts this morning, if I had brought strawberries, mango, and orange, I would have added that to my spinach salad, and I would have brought raspberry vinaigrette to go along with it as a salad dressing. It's very tasty and very healthy for us. Nuts is very healthy for us, and that's spinach is healthy. It's a green vegetable which we all need green vegetables, and everything that I have in my salad plays a part. Now this is a good salad here, but I already made a perfectly good salad that if you all would like to share with me, you just run out to the store and get you some salad mix. It can be either his old boring salad, or you can eat my spinach that's full of vitamin K and healthy and beneficial for you. His old boring salad.
It has green vegetable in here.
My beautiful salad. And it's just a great outcome. And you ready?
Yes.
Oh, how good. Would you like to share?
Not this salad.
Oh, yeah, well, we will share that salad over there that was prepared earlier. And it looks magnificent. Look, Mr. Johnny, he does a great job. Look at him.
See, that's
he presented a great spinach salad that's full of nourishment. Although the croutons is in it, it's for our friends here at the library. And I don't desire to eat bread. I'm trying to get away from all the bread. That's fattening. And I want to look real slim the rest of the summer. And that is our old boring salad that he wants to eat. But now, y'all, let me get to the fun part.
This is a good looking salad.
Let me get to the fun
and
part.
Taste it too.
No. Let me get to the fun part. He trying to stop me because I'm fixing to talk about this old age salad dressing that he's using. Now I'm going to use this Italian salad dressing. Yes, and it's low in calories for me. It only has a small amount of calories, like 60% of calories per serving, 2 tablespoons. Now, of course, he got this old ugly Thousand Island. Who's still eating Thousand Island? We ate that when we was very young, and mom and dad ate it, and he's still eating that to this day.
It's been sold at the store. Where do you think this came from? This came from the store.
That Thousand Island is packed with calories. It's fattening, and he said he wants to get something low calorie. He needs to go with the Thousand Island.
They said it's in low calorie too.
Oh.
It's called Thousand Island Light, but we just don't have Thousand Island Light, so we just gonna go with what we got.
So we just want to thank you all for being a part of our program this morning, and we hope that you can take this program and use it at home and allow the children to help you prepare salads so they can eat healthy as we do as an adult. But I have a surprise for you all. I'm not through yet. Even though we are through preparing this salad, I have a book. I would like to do a story time, snack time book right here. And I'm going to call it Snack Time Story Time. And this book is Baby Goes to the Market by Antoinette. This book is about a young lady taking her baby and placing her baby around her neck, and they go to the market. And as they get to the market, they see all the vegetables and fruits, and this baby is desiring to taste. And that's so important today. We need to let our children taste the different vegetables, the different fruits. We need to let them go into the market and we try different things. Never say that you don't eat it, and never say I don't like it. But it's very important that they try things so those things can be a part of their diet, especially the healthy things. Now this baby tastes bananas. This baby did a taste test of vegetables. The baby, it had orange, the peach, and all of that. So we want to make sure that our children incorporate things into their diet that's very healthy. Those unhealthy snacks are sugar, things that pertain in sugar, like candy And chips is very unhealthy. And we get them cakes and all of that stuff. But we can give them fruits and vegetables instead as a healthy snack. And it keeps them from being overweight and having diabetes and other health issues when they go older. Thank you. We like to give you our thanks on today for being a part of our program. And we ask that you continue to eat healthy and think of being healthy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.